Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us discuss profit and loss problem. Nodelli, when article is sold for rupees 16,600, the person losses 70%. At what price must that articles be sold in order to gain 20% profit? Nodelli, cost price 100, 17% loss. SV value 100 minus 17, 83. 83 parts how much? 16,600. 16,600. At what price must that article sold in order to gain 20% profit? 20% profit means 120. Sales value how much? 120. 120 value how much? 83 parts 16,600 andaga 120 parts how much? 83 ones 83 two, so 200. 120 into 200 24,000. Sale value how much? 120 value 24,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24,000 ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 20% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ 24,000. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.